Hi, my name is Athena. Well, I was born into permanent makeup. My parents founded this company in 1988, but I decided to keep going with it after I graduated from college in 2012. I decided that it wasn't so bad to help people out and make them feel better about the way they look, and my parents could use some help with the business side of things, even though they had been very successful so far. So that's when I decided to really stick with it. Oh, my role at SoftTap. I have a lot of roles, but I would say some of the bigger ones are maybe some graphic design. I do try and help out with a lot of our website. Do a lot of background work now, a lot of research and development, things like that. My favorite needle it's gotta be the Super Smudger 7. I love that needle so much. It's kind of an unsung hero. A lot of people maybe don't really know about it, but it really gives a really dusty, pixely look for eyebrows, eyeliner. I haven't tried it on lips, but I'm sure it can do a good job. I love seeing the kind of work that people do with the Super Smudger because the variations are endless, and I've seen a lot of beautiful things come from that needle. Believe it or not, I do like to hang out with my family outside of work, even though I see them at work all day. We can't get enough of each other apparently, so we go hang out outside of work. I also like to hang out with my kids. They're crazy, but they're a lot of fun, and I do some other weird things. I'm about to get chicks to have some backyard chickens and some backyard eggs, so that's a little different too, I guess, but I'm pretty excited about that. They're all good in their own ways, but probably the one that is the most inspiring, and you can probably guess what it is, it's any kind of breast work or scar camo work. That stuff always changes people's lives, even if it's just a little bit, to feel a little bit better, to diminish those scars or help repigment an areola. Really helps people feel whole again, and so I really love that type of work.